Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for PS4 Error Code WS-43699-1. The error comes when players try to download a purchased game, DLC, or free game from the PlayStation Store but are unable to do so. Some users reported that even though their transaction was successful, the game or DLC does not appear in their library, and when they try to add it to their cart, they receive this error. According to our research, this error is likely caused by a system issue with the PlayStation Store or licensing problems on the PS4. If you are experiencing this error, don't worry. We have found a few workarounds that may help. We first suggest that instead of downloading the game from the PlayStation Store, go to the library and check if the game is available there. Many users were able to download their games directly from the library section without getting the error. If the error persists, try deactivating and reactivating your PS4 as the primary console. To do this, go to Settings on your PS4, then select Account Management. Then click on Activate as your primary PS4. Then choose Deactivate and Confirm. Then restart your PS4. Then follow the same steps and activate your PS4 as the primary console again. Now go to your library and check if the game appears for download. If the previous methods don't work, try using the PlayStation app on your mobile device. Simply open the PlayStation app and log into your account. Then find the game or DLC you purchased. Then click on the Download to PS4 option. Then check if the game starts downloading on your console. If you still get the error, try restoring your licenses. To do so, go to Settings on your PS4. Select Account Management. Click on Restore Licenses and Confirm. Once done, check if the game is available for download. If none of the above fixes work, then the issue might be on PlayStation end. Wait for a few hours and try again. If the error persists, contact PlayStation support to report the issue. So there you have it. To troubleshoot the error, try downloading from the library, deactivating and reactivating your PS4 as primary, using the PlayStation app to download the game, restoring licenses, and if all else fails, reaching out to PlayStation support. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.